What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Laughlin, Nevada. We're going to be doing a walkthrough of the Riverside Hotel and Casino, and we'll do a little bit of talking about it as well, of course. Let's get the video started. Sounds like Planet Moolah. Yeah. Red Mango Yogurt Cafe. Yeah. Oh yeah, Planet Moolah. Alright, of course, guys, we're going to start with the perimeter check. Alright, guys. Go a little perimeter. Some buffaloes. You know, I've noticed something so far that's kind of a little different than Las Vegas is you don't have all kinds of music blaring, at least not yet. That R looks a lot like the old Riviera R. Let's see what he gets. $20. And it doesn't look like much is going on over there. And this, guys, is actually the first time I've ever been into this casino. And this is just like a small little corner. Again, guys, I came in through a back entrance. We didn't start at the proper front. Look at me, I can't even talk. Did not start at the proper front of the casino. So, some elevators down there.
Yeah, Starbucks.
Oh yeah. Man, there's a lot of people checking in. But it is, let's see, what's today? Friday, June 19th at 2:45 p.m. So it is check-in time. Everybody's rolling in for the weekend. Step off to the side here for a second and show you hotel registration. It's going to be a busy weekend. Actually getting ready to go home after this. We got here Tuesday and getting ready to get out of Dodge before the crowd set in. But some fun facts we have about the Riverside Hotel and Casino. When it was built, it opened August 2nd, 1966. It is officially the very first hotel and casino in Laughlin. The casino floor spans nearly 89,000 square feet of gaming space, around 76,000 to 89,000 square feet, depending on how you count the Casino West expansion across the Sky Bridge. Features over 1,200 slots, video poker machines, a 330 square bingo parlor, 330 seat bingo parlor, and a dedicated non-smoking poker room with a massive window looking right out at the Colorado River. Dang, this casino actually is pretty big. Today the property boasts 1,405 rooms and suites split between its massive hotel towers. The largest jump came in 1994 when they added the 30-story South Tower, which cost $70 million and remains the tallest tower in town. They also feature a massive 740 space full hookup RV park that's a massive draw for snowbirds. When Don Laughlin opened the place in 1966, it was a boarded up, bankrupt 8-room motel on 6 acres of dirt. He bought it for $235,000 with $35,000 down. On an opening day, it had exactly 12 slot machines, 2 live gaming tables, and offered an all-you-can-eat chicken dinner for 98 cents. Wow. The cashier. There's some Monopoly. There's a big Wheel of Fortune. Don Laughlin didn't actually name the town after himself. He originally wanted to name the town area Riverside or Casino. Oh, they got a fat burger in here. And a buffalo. The buffaloes or buffalo? Yeah, just buffaloes. Very cool. But yeah, Don Laughlin didn't actually name the town after himself. He originally wanted to name the area Riverside or Casino. However, U.S. Postal Service inspector insisted the area needed a proper name to establish a post office and suggested Laughlin because it was a good Irish name. Don went along with it. And the South Tower bar. It's cool. We have a bunch of 1-cent machines. The resort here houses Don Laughlin's classic car museum, a 30,000 square foot exhibit split across 2 areas holding over 80 rare classic and antique vehicles. It features everything from vintage horses, carriages to a motorcycle once owned by Steve McQueen. We definitely need to get down there and check out that car museum, guys. It says, if you watch the hit mystery series Poker Face, directed by Ryan Johnson, the fictional Frost Casino where the okay, let me start that over. If you watch the hit mystery series Poker Face, directed by Ryan Johnson, the fictional Frost Casino, where the entire story kicks off in episode 1, It's actually filmed right here inside the Riverside. It has a 34-lane Burnswick Bowling Center on the second floor. It has a 6-screen THX movie theater. And it has its own tour boat for the river, the USS Riverside. You go here and get tours of the river directly from the Riverside. Let's see how much she won. She won a little something. Definitely have to stop and check out people's winnings. $20.70, pretty cool. Winner's Lounge.
That way you're never wrong. I don't do
Excuse
the
me.
second one here later.
So there's something I am looking for. I'm not sure exactly where it is at this point. But it is the Hand of Faith Nugget. Yep. And we got some table games. I don't think we'll be getting any poker chips today. Executive Casino Host Office. Look at that, guys. It was pretty cool. And that is the water taxi. Not sure how much the water taxi costs, but it'll take you back and forth from casino to casino. I know it used to be $1. I think it's up to like $3 or something like that, or $5. That'd be cool to do that one of these days. I want to do that in obviously much cooler weather. Do that river cruise. They're not very expensive. I think they're like $12. But not right now. It's 110 degrees when we pulled up. And that's the cool day. When we first got into Laughlin, it was 118 degrees. You know, I kind of like this casino. I definitely want to stay here one of these days. If you guys want to see a review of the hotel, please let me know down in the comments. This is 99. We'll definitely come back. We have family that lives here, so we have all the reason and excuses to come back. Oh, they have a buffet. Oh, look, they have a buffet, guys, Monday through Saturday, $17.99. Wow. They actually have an open buffet. Mm-hmm. Did you get buffalo? I think that guy got buffalo. We got a couple of coins there, so we got some free games. This is 909.
Player's card.
But
I got you something. Look at this penny. Flip it over. I don't know. I've never seen it like that.
Oh yeah.
And like,
What year is this?
I don't know. We went into the smoke shop.
Okay.
Went to the gift shop and I heard her say something and I traded her. So there you go.
Oh, a gold dollar. Cool. You don't really see these anymore.
She traded. I walked by. I went to go get a pin, a free pin, and she was talking to the lady about having that, and I was like, "Can I get that from you?" She goes, "Yeah, $4." I was like, "Because I'm joking." So.
That's funny. Did you see anything in there?
No.
It's a nice casino.
Yeah.
It's so far, I think, the most Vegas-esque casino we've been in. So yeah, guys, that's our perimeter. We're gonna walk around and see what else we could find, because there's a lot of things here to do. We definitely need to find that the car museum. All right.
I got it right here. I want to see this book. Did you get one? I didn't get the book because he already said, look at bowling for 2 for 1. Free turn shrimp or frozen sliced pizza at the casino.
Yep. So we wound up getting players cards, guys. Okay, the classic auto exhibit. Hall of Fame sports bar, race sports, bowling center, laser tag.
Laser tag!
Yeah, that's cool.
There's snack bar, laser tag, sports bar, sports book. Pool tables.
Lockers.
I would walk in front of us, give Dad some space.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some patches, some pins on a t-shirt. It looks like it'd be very uncomfortable to wear. I am looking for the car show. It says it was this way, so. Yeah, I know. A laser tag and arcade. Oh, look at that. Walk right into the bowling alley. Yep, we should have done this. It's a nice bowling alley, huh? Got a little bowling store, pro shop. All right, guys, that's gonna do it from the Riverside Hotel and Casino in Laughlin, Nevada. Yeah, so
it's hot.
Yes, you guys can see the river right out there again. Sorry, I should have done this inside. You guys are probably getting a lot of wind noise right now. But if you guys enjoyed this one, please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. Let me know if this video helps you decide whether or not you're going to come and play at the Riverside Hotel and Casino, or even stay. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching.